Hey guys, it's me, Ben with Maker Decor. Before we get started with today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna go over a couple of things for this build. Plexiglass, getting something this size is just not affordable for most people, especially all over the US. And if you're just throwing a smaller party and you're like, man, this is hundreds of dollars for something this size. But this is not plexiglass. Let me show you what it is. So for a long time, I've been getting a lot of requests for this build, and I've really wanted to figure out how to make it. One of the main hurdles you're gonna run into is getting the plexiglass. So for the smaller one, it's fine. At most Home Depots and Lowe's, you can find a 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of plexiglass, and you can use that. But I wanted to make the big one. The big one's cool. The problem I ran into, and a lot of other people probably would, in my area, they don't really have that size. I would have to get it shipped from Houston. They have the size I want. Like if you want 5-foot, 6-foot, they have it. Shipping is almost the same price as plexiglass. It was running close to $900 to $1,000 to get plexiglass for this size. It's not something that's affordable for this type of build, especially for a lot of people who I make this content for, whether you're just decorating for your kids' birthdays, parties, or it's just something you're just starting out. You're not gonna spend $1,000, $2,000 on a build, right? So I really shied away from this. But then what if I don't make this out of plexiglass and I make it out of PVC vinyl? So this is not plexiglass. The other one is not either. So I did a test. I'll show you a picture right here. I was like, let me just see if this is possible. So I actually purchased some PVC vinyl off of Amazon, and it's actually just that thick vinyl that people put over their dining room tables. And I was like, what if I stretch it out? And I did. So it works. All right, so this is not for everybody. If you're making something for your event rental business and you really want to do that, you're going to need plexiglass. Hopefully you live in somewhere where plexiglass is readily available, or you're gonna have to purchase someone who already makes these and it's kind of available to them. If not, shipping kind of makes it very difficult. So plexiglass, number one option, do that option. There's a couple of builds. There's a YouTuber who has his own plans for one of these using plexiglass. I'll try to link that down below, but he does an amazing job. So if that's what you're going for, that's definitely gonna work out. But what if you just want something like this? Or maybe you're just making it for your child's backyard party and you just wanna go like crazy on it. So definitely this worked out. Let me show you the real quick difference that you're gonna notice, and then we'll get started with the build. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. So you probably won't see it, and you can't see it here, but in person from the full front, you can see like little crinkles. Now I heard you can use like a heat gun to get rid of them, but all I really did is stretch these out, and you see them a little bit in person, but really when you take photos, I'll kind of insert some photos that I took here. It doesn't show up in the photographs. It looks like amazing to me because you see it in person, but it doesn't show up. And really the main reason that happens is because we have all the lights on the inside and they're facing this way. So if you had lights on the outside facing this way, like maybe if you do your whole setup outside, it's not gonna work out. You'll probably see a lot of crinkles. But if you do the light setup the way this is, it worked out amazing. You can't even see any of this stuff. The second thing that you will notice is that light. I have one light outside. I think you can see it reflecting in the camera. It's like right here. Now that reflective light, so there's no light from the outside shining in. I just have two lights right here shining at me, and none of the stuff actually even pops up. So it just looks amazing. I'll show you some pictures. I'll put some in there, but it definitely works out if you're doing something like in a backyard, or maybe it's your own personal one that you want to make and you don't feel like spending like over $1,000 for all the material. But definitely, I'm gonna have these in the plans for you if you want to do this. But I will also, for this one, I'm also gonna make this one this one was actually made for plexiglass. So I'm gonna insert some plexiglass, and I'm gonna show you in a minute the difference between this one and the plexiglass. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back, and so you can see the difference between this one is plexiglass and this is PVC vinyl. I have my light right here. I'm gonna go stand inside and you'll see the difference. So this is plexiglass. If you can hear that. This is pretty much like it. It's crystal clear. I definitely love the way this one looks. Again, we got two lights in the front. All right, so this is PVC vinyl. See the difference, and the whole thing's shaking. So in person, I will let you know, I do see like the little creases, but they're stretched out, but you do see them in person, like slightly, not a lot. But for photos and videos, it really doesn't come out. You kind of get a glare from the light, but I think that happens with both. We'll double check the glare right now, but from this vinyl to that one, in photos, it looks awesome. So let's see. So the plans will be for the plexiglass on this one with this material. For the larger one, I don't have plexiglass to try it on that one, so it's gonna be made for the vinyl, but I'll put some extra instructions in there just in case you wanna make it a place to get plexiglass that's near you, and that's definitely what you wanna go for. You can go ahead and go for that one. I'll put some instructions how I would try to do that one. So these actually break apart to fit in, like, I have a truck, it's an 8-foot bed, but this fits in there, and that one fits up there. I set them up both by myself, you're gonna see in the video, but I do not recommend that. Definitely that, the taller, skinnier one, it's all together, so it was a struggle. 2 people was a must for that one. This one's in a couple of different pieces. It's a lot easier for 2 people. And there's some stuff I'll kind of discuss along the way. And at the top, it's just a stretched out, all blacked out curtain. So I just put it on there, put some grommets, I'll show you a little bit later, and that covers the top. All this will be linked down below in the description, and it'll be on makerdecorshop.com. All right, so let's get started. So I really like these lights. They're actually super easy to install. I'll make sure to have the links and all the plans and everything. These have little snap-ons. So if you see it here, these are just little clips. You put one screw in, and it works. These lights just, show you here, it's just this. You plug it in. It comes with enough for all four to link up. They have a 4 set and a 2 set. They have this in 4 feet, 3 feet, and 2 feet. So this just worked out really well. And then all you do is you just push it in on one edge at a time. So let's do, I'm gonna slip it in the top side, and then I'm just gonna push down. Locks in, super easy, and that's on there. And all four link together. They're 4 foot. I'm gonna light it up right now. Whoa, that is bright. But that's kind of what you want. You want to light up the back. You don't want to put lights from the front because it'll be reflective on plexiglass or plastic. So definitely the lights are in the front. No lights on the camera. So at the bottom, you just on. So to add some grommets, it's pretty simple. It's not nothing hard. I went and bought this. This is from Home Depot. It came with a little sample pack. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a very small grommet. And this, so literally you just poke a hole through the material, put the little grommet through there, and then put it close, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I already put the clamps up there. I put the screws on the other side. Just want to give you a view of the ceiling. So that's it. I'm just so surprised on how that PVC vinyl came out in photos. Again, I'm gonna show the photos and you'll see those, and it's up to you. I definitely just wanna give you enough options so you can decide what's best for your backyard party or your event business, what you rather prefer. I appreciate the support. I definitely wanna thank everyone who purchased the plans and purchased anything from us that we have on our website, makerdecorshop.com. It helps us keep doing stuff like this and me trying to think outside the box. Thank you for the support. Don't forget, if you want to become a member, there's a link down below. It helps support more stuff like this, and I'll catch you on the next one. So, you see, I've bought 3 of these. The first one, really good. The second, this one seems like it's pretty good. It's pretty clear, crystal clear. That one looks like has a little bit of blurriness to it. I'm not too sure, but for that size, that was the only one I found. So I might have to look online, see if I can find another one. But definitely recommend, if you are going to use this versus plexiglass, buy this first. They're only a couple of dollars, and find the one that looks crystal clear first before you build anything.